Paper Boat Boy Art and Craft. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make a paper lightsaber. Like from Star Wars. My friend told me how to make a paper lightsaber. For this activity, you will need some scissors, a glue stick, and some pens. Grey, blue, whatever lightsabers are the colours of. And 2 pieces of paper. Let's get started. First, you want to get 1 piece of paper and put it sideways. Then you want to get your corner, this little corner, and roll it up. Just like this. And then when it's like this, you can just roll it up all the way until it's like this. Do you see? Get your glue stick, open it up, and put some glue on the edge. See? Now that we've done one of these, it won't be very stable, so we have to do it again. Get your piece of paper, the other one, get the corner, and do the same thing. Then, once you're back by the corner, you want to get your glue and put the glue on. Just like this. And if it still doesn't stick properly, just press it down really hard and roll it like this. Then get both of your sticks, get the smallest one and stick it at the back, just like this. So as much as you can go in. This is all I can do, so I'll cut it off. Get your scissors. Remember, for some vision from a parent for this part, and cut it. Whoa! Until you have it like this, your own lightsaber. But wait, we still need to color it in. So how you'll color it in is get your pen and draw all over it. And then you can get your grey or black pen and draw the little handle so you don't burn yourself. But you wouldn't actually burn yourself. Now I have coloured it in. On the way colouring it in, it detached where this part was. So that's why it's a bit bigger than the other one. I coloured it in blue and black. I had no grey, so I just used black. Thank you for watching Paper Boat Boy Art and Craft. I'll see you next time.